Hello, guys, and welcome back. This is Forex Alpha, and you're welcome to Analytic Sunday. Now, this is where I get to break down the charts, what we're looking at for the week, our weekly outlook. So now let's dive right into the charts. Now, let's start with the first one, which is gold. Now, looking at gold, these are the key levels for this week. These are our major point of interest for this week. Uh, okay. Okay, I already labeled that earlier, so let me remove that. Okay, we're moving this. Now coming back to 4 hours. We have this. Now as you can see, this zone here is running back all the way from 2020 during the crash of the COVID dump. Understand? So now you can see that here is acting as a support because the whole massive fall last week. We were expecting gold to like hold somewhere here, but it broke 1654 and fell down further to this zone. Now let's say that this place is our major support currently. So now this is what we're looking at for this week. Looking at for this week. Depending on the confirmation we get, market open, we can get something like a rally up to retest this zone, then maybe get back down here. Then if the support is still holding, you can be looking to go long to this point. Now on getting to 1675, whichever reaction you might get there will determine if the market will still trend above this zone or will start doing what? Will start crashing from here back down to retest this zone. To retest this zone. Now at 1654, we can either be getting a pull to the upside or a pull to the downside. That is from here. We're expecting market to get back down here again. Now this is the weekly outlook on gold. So we can be going long from 1640, 1645, somewhere from here going up to this point. But now this is our major point of interest. Getting to 1675 is a major key zone that we're going to be looking out for a reaction. Now let's say it breaks 1675, then another major point of resistance is what? Our 1688. Because this was where the news rallied it up and got to here last week, FOMC news last week. Now at this point, the market reversed back down. So this is our major what? Resistance, and 1640 is our major what? Support. So now from whatever happens between these zones now, we'll either be looking to go long or short. So between these zones, whatever happens, we're looking to go long or short. Now this is for gold. Now let's check the second pair we have on the list. We have AUD USD. Now coming to AUD USD, as you can see, the market just opened with a tiny gap here, meaning the market might still rally down. So now this is what we're looking at for AUD USD. If this price point breaks, we're having 0.65122. If it breaks, then we can still be looking forward to more downsides, more like this. If this zone break, wait for retest, then you can ride it back down here. Now where is there? Here is 0.64. Or if this support holds where it is currently, then we can be looking to go long. It's quite similar to gold. Trading oxy is quite similar to gold. So I'm getting something like this, maybe a reaction that we can go long from here. Now I'm getting to this point, it's another major key factor, key zone that we should be looking at for this week. So this week, market can rally up to this zone and can get a rejection. So this particular level here can be getting a rejection from here. And if this zone doesn't break, so on AUD USD 0.6670 is our major what? One of our major zones we're looking at for. If this zone breaks, fine. But if it doesn't break, then we'll be seeing something like this. something like this, then back down, back down, depending on the momentum, we expect to go back down. So this for AUDUSD. Now the last for this week is GBPUSD. Now coming to GBPUSD, the key zones are marked out. The market has taken them all out, and as you can see, the market also opened up with a gap. So these are the major key price points to look out for this week. We have 1.1025. And another point is this. This is a very major key point of interest. 1.0850. So now this is what we are looking at here. If this place, if market continues to trade below where it is currently, then that means we'll be seeing more downsides. So let me do a pictorial representation. If the market continue to trade below this, below, like trading below, I mean this, then we can be expecting it to go down, go down. But if it breaks here, the second scenario we're looking at, for the market might break up, retest. At this point now, we're looking towards go long. Now it's going long. We're expecting a correction to this point, depending on the reaction of this zone. Then from here, we can see maybe a little bit of retest back down. Now it's only when the market breaks these levels that we can be looking to go where the market is, we trying to go bullish. But this week, if the market continue to trade below this price point, then just be getting ready to short, 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 short. If the market doesn't break above 1.3712, then we'll keep on shorting this market, keep on shorting it, but the market is still bearish. And now, for your information, this has been the lowest point GP has gotten to since 2020. Yeah, that's more like 2 years now. So this has been the, like, for the past 2 years, this is the lowest point it's ever gotten to. So if the market doesn't get back up here and breaks it, then we keep on doing what? Keep on going short on GBP USD. That's all for this week. Stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to this account, because I'll be dropping trade setups within the week and other updates. Thanks, and wishing you guys a successful trading week. Please, guys, keep your emotions in check and stick to logic rather than emotions this week. Thanks.